physics and the name of topic is Stephen Boltzmann law. Student, according to Stephen Boltzmann law, energy emitted by black body is directly proportional to 4th power of absolute temperature. Energy emitted by black body is directly proportional to 4th power of absolute temperature. When we remove the sign of proportionality, then we add one constant, and the constant is sigma, and sigma equal to 5.67 into 10 to the power minus 8 joule, second to the power minus 1, meter to the power minus 2, and Kelvin to the power minus 4. So this is the value of sigma. We use this line numerical, so we take one numerical based on Stephen Boltzmann law. It means E equal to sigma T to the power 4. Our question is, calculate the temperature in Kelvin at this perfect black body radiate energy at the rate of 5.67 watt centimeter per minus 2, given sigma equal to this value. Student, in this question, the value of sigma is 5.67 into 10 to the power minus 8 watt meter to the power minus 2 Kelvin to the power minus 4. It means the value of sigma is SI units, but the value of this, it means the value of black body radiate energy at rate, ये आपको ये वाली वैल्यू है आपको CGS यूनिट में दी है, तो हम क्या करेंगे, इसको कन्वर्ट करेंगे 5.67 into 10 की पावर 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे वाट सेंटीमीटर की पावर minus 2. In this question, temperature is question mark and T is given. So temperature equal to question mark. Student, we put the formula T equal to sigma T की power 4 and the formula for temperature equal to T की power 4 equal to T upon sigma. It means T equal to T upon sigma the whole power 1 upon 4, and the value of E is 5.67 into 10 to the power 4, and the value of sigma 5.67 into 10 to the power minus 8. Whole power is 1 upon 4. This is cancelled by this, and 5.67 is cancelled by 5.67. Then 4 and 8 जब ऊपर जाएगी, it means न्यूमरेटर में जाएगी, तो 10 की पावर 12 whole 1 upon 4. It means 10 cube Kelvin. It means 1000 Kelvin. Student, listen again. In this question, we have question is calculate the temperature in Kelvin at which perfect black body radiate energy at the rate of this. यानी energy rate is given in CGS, so we convert this in SI unit. It means we multiply by 10 to the power 4, and the value of sigma is given. It means 5.67 into 10 to the power minus 8. Then we can find the value of T from Stephen Boltzmann law. E equal to sigma T to the power 4. Then T to the power 4 equal to E upon sigma. It means T to the power 4 equal to E upon sigma. We put the value of E and the power divided by 4 power in both sides. Then formula is E upon sigma whole power 1 upon 4, and the value of E is 5.67 into 10 to the power minus 5.67 into 10 to the power 4 is the value of E, and the value of sigma is 5.67 into 10 to the power minus 8. 5.67 is cancelled by 5.67, then 10 to the power 12 and whole power 1 upon 3, then 10 cube Kelvin. It means 1000 Kelvin is the answer. Next is Wien's displacement law. Student, listen carefully. Our next law is Wien's displacement law. Wavelength corresponds to maximum energy emission. Wavelength corresponds to maximum energy emission by black body is inversely proportional to absolute temperature. It means lambda and T equal to V, where V is Wien's constant and its value is 2.9 into 10 to the power minus 3 millikelvin. Student, in this law, maximum wavelength inversely proportional to absolute temperature, and when we remove the sign of proportionality, then we get one constant lambda and T equal to V, and the value of V is 2.9 into 10 to the power minus 3 millikelvin. Student 1, another numerical based on Wien's displacement law. The wavelength correspond to E max for the moon is 14 micron. It means lambda equal to 14 micron. Estimate the surface temperature. It means T is quotient and B is given, and the B is 2.884 into 10 to the power minus 3 millikelvin. Then we can find the value of T from this law, because lambda m T equal to V. So we can find the value of T. So it means T equal to V upon lambda m. Student, this is given in 14 micron. So micron, it means 10 to the power minus 6. So we multiply 10 to the power minus 6 in this value. Then it convert in meter, and 14 into 10 to the power minus 6. Then we can put the value of B, 2.884 into 10 to the power minus 3. That is the value of B, and the value of lambda m. And the value of lambda m is given 14 into 10 to the power minus 6. This is removed, then 10 to the power, it means 1000 is added. Then 2884 into 10 to the power minus 3. 14 into 10 to the power minus 3. 10 to the power minus 3 is cancelled by 10 to the power minus 3. This answer is 206 Kelvin of T. So listen again, student. Wavelength corresponding to maximum energy for moon is lambda m 14 microns. It means 14 into 10 to the power minus 6, because we convert micron into meters. And estimate the surface temperature. It means T equal to quotient mark, and the value of B is also given in quotient. Then we can find the value of T. So T equal to B upon lambda m, and the value of B is given in quotient 2.844 into 10 to the power minus 3, and the value of lambda m, it means 14 micron, it means 14 into 10 to the power minus 6. Then we remove the point, and 1000 is increased, because after point is 3 digits, so we increase 3 zeros. Then 10 to the power minus 3 is cancelled by 10 to the power minus 3, and 2884 divided by 14, we get 206 answer, and this answer is Kelvin. Students, we revise next topic, and the topic is conversion of temperature from one scale to another scale. TC means temperature in centigrade, and temperature in centigrade is lower point is 0 and upper point is 100, and the lower point is ice point and the upper point is steam point. It is also known as. And in Fahrenheit, the lower point is 32 and upper point is 212, because we had 32 in 180. Then we add 180 and 11. It means lower point is 32 and upper point is 212 for Fahrenheit. Next, for temperature in Newman. So in Newman, lower point is 0 and upper point is 80. And for, this is Newman, not a Kelvin. For Kelvin, lower point is 273.15 and upper point is 373.15. So all the temperature scale, the lower point is ice point and the upper point is steam point. And the conversion formula for all the temperature scales is this: Tc minus 0 and temperature in centigrade minus 0 upon 100, temperature for Fahrenheit minus 22 upon 180, temperature in Newman minus 0 upon 80, temperature in Kelvin minus 273.15 upon 100. So our next question is very important question. At what temperature do the readings of Celsius and Fahrenheit scale are coincide? Celsius, degree Celsius and Fahrenheit scale. It means these two scales reading are same, and what is the reading? Then TC minus 0 upon 100 equal to TF minus 32 upon 180. Students take x, let TC equal to TF equal to x, यानी x minus 0 upon 100, x minus 32 upon 180, 180x, 100x minus 3200. It means 180 x minus 100x equal to 3200 minus with minus sign. It means 80x put equal to minus 3200. 1 0 is cancelled by 1 0 and x equal to minus of 40. Minus 40 is the reading, same reading for Celsius scale and Fahrenheit scale. This is again at what temperature do the readings of Celsius and Fahrenheit scale coincide. So these two are the scales, TC minus 0 upon 100, TF minus 32 upon 180. So x minus we take TC equal to TF equal to x, then x minus 0 upon 100 equal to x minus 32 upon 180. It means 180x equal to 100x minus 3200. Then 100x is come to this side and minus 3200, 1 0 is cancelled by 0. Then x equal to minus 40. It means minus 40 is the reading where Celsius and Fahrenheit scales represent same reading. Thank you, students.